Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. I've got a couple things that came in today from ECS and the rag company. The ECS stuff is related to the mini project, and the rag company box is just some fun stuff. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It helps me to do things, to fund projects, to continue to move forward with this channel. So, first box is from ECS Tuning. ECS Tuning, if you're not familiar with them, is a company that sells aftermarket performance parts for most European brands. So, you know, BMW, Mini, Audi, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, etc. I regularly order. They sell a lot of maintenance products like oil filters, the Liquimoly oils, air filters, etc. I use them or FCP Euro for a lot of my products, and they sell OEM parts. They also sell performance parts like APR and Dynon and some other things. They do not sponsor this channel. I like ECS. I've used them in the past. I would continue to use them. So, what did I order from them today? So, I got a couple things for the Mini. The first one that I'm going to, well, there's actually a bag with a couple things in it. So, first things first, I got a paint pen. This is Bavarian Autosport is the company that made this. It's a black paint pen. So this should be the black that matches the roof of the Mini, which from what I understand is not the same as the black if you get your Mini painted black. So if you order a black Mini, the black roof isn't the same black color code as the black Mini paint code, is what I've been told. So the one that I ordered is paint code 668. It's a BMW paint code. APP-MINI 668 is the part pen, or the part of this paint pen, and it is black, paint code 668. So I ordered that to touch up a couple spots that I have on the roof. Then I ordered this, which is part of the Mini Color System. So the Mini Color System is a touch-up paint with a clear coat in one box. And this is the, this should be the volcanic orange color that the car actually is on the exterior. And I'm interested to see how well this matches, because when we replaced the stripes, I noticed that there was, it wasn't perfect. What was under the stripes versus what was on the stripes. So this is color code B70, volcanic orange. The expiration date is 2025, date of manufacture is 2018, and there should be there's two bottles in here. There is a clear and an orange. So this is volcanic orange, and this is a clear coat. So you can get these from a variety of places, local auto paint stores, dealerships, etc. ECS had them in stock. I just picked them up and they're shipped to my door. It was like 35 bucks for this, the paint and the clear, and this was like 18 bucks for just the black. But I already had a clear, so I didn't need another clear. Then the last thing that I got, well, actually there's two more things in this box. The next thing that I got is, this is a coin. So it's a BFI, it's a center for a shift knob. I ordered the shift knob too, but the shift knob is on back order, so I'm waiting for that to come in. Should be in the next week or so. And then the next thing that I ordered was just kind of for fun. So Mini is not at all serious company. Like they're just, it's a very fun, what I'm finding is the car is very fun. There's a lot of accessories that are just fun. And they don't take themselves seriously, which is strange because they're BMW, and BMW takes themselves very seriously, I find. But so these are actually ice molds, you know, like to make ice cubes, and they are shaped like minis. So I picked these up. I just thought that they were something funny. I don't know. They're just mini ice cube trays. So the part number is 8282465 It is a Mini official licensed by BMW product. And yeah, I just thought that they were interesting, unique, something different. And I saw that ECS had them on their website. So we paid, it's a different ECS order. We paid $8.57 for them for a 3-pack. So I just had to do it. Anyway, the shifter coin is $10. I ordered a shifter as well. The shifter's $150. That'll be here later on Well, it'll be later on this month or beginning of October. So this next box is from the Rag Company. I placed an order from the Rag Company earlier this week, and I got a couple different things from them. So first off, I wanted to try out Dream Maker. This is the new PNS product. It's a gloss amplifier. It's not a replacement for Bead Maker, but it is a topper for Bead Maker. So I don't know. I just thought I'd try it out. It's a brand new product. Nobody's really tried it yet that I can see. So I thought, let's give it a whirl. It was like 10 bucks. I ordered two other things from Color Lock. So Color Lock makes leather care products. So I have a couple Color Lock products like this artificial leather cleaner. I have a leather protectant, some other products from Color Lock, brush and stuff. So this is a sneaker and shoe care cleaning kit. So one thing to note about Rag Company is that they sell some products that are more like lifestyle and not necessarily automotive, and this is one of them. So everybody wears some sort of shoes. These are sneaker and shoe cleaning kits. We have a brush, Color Lock brush. It's very similar to the Color Lock brush that I have from Obsessed Garage that I use for my seats. But, oh, yeah, it's exactly the same. Same brush. So here's the Obsessed Garage one, which has been used, and here's the new one. They're identical. So it's the same brush as you use for the seats. There is a waterproofing leather and textile waterproofing spray. This is a sneaker and shoe cleaner for gentle cleaning of all types of shoes and boots. There's two applicator pads, and there are also cloths in here that are rolled up. So we'll give this a shot, try it out. I've got kids, they beat up on their shoes. I threw it in the cart. It was, I want to say it was like 40 bucks. But a decent waterproofer is half of that anyway, and I've been impressed with Color Lock's stuff in the past. So, try it out. See how it works. Alright, next. I got this. This is a leather steering wheel restoration kit. So it includes a degreaser, a mild cleaner, leather fresh, and a sealant, as well as an elephant leather preserver. So this is a restoration kit that is designed to restore an older leather steering wheel. So I thought that it would be cool to test out on the Mini. Not that the steering wheel and it's bad, but it's 5 years old and it's dirty and grimy and like, I don't know, it's slippery. It's not clean like the Mercedes. So I thought I'd try it out and see how it works. Next, I ordered a shirt from the Rag Company. I don't know how their shirts are because I've never ordered a Rag Company shirt before, but I really like this shirt and they got them back in stock, so I ordered one. So on the front, it just says the Rag Co., but it's kind of diagonally at the bottom of the shirts. On the back, there's a logo. It's a blue color. This is a Next Level Apparel. It's a 50-50 blend. Nope, sorry, 60-40 blend. Made in Haiti. I got a size large. And so it looks like a nice shirt at first glance. And then the Rag Company also threw in, I got a sticker, and they always give you other things. Oh, I forgot about these. Okay. I ordered logos for my buckets. I ordered a wheel logo, a rinse logo, and a wash logo for the 3-bucket method. So we'll get these applied to the buckets. I've got the Chemical Guys buckets. I like them a little bit better than the Obsessed Garage stickers, just the design-wise. Nothing against Matt. His are very plain. I think these are kind of cool, so I just ordered one of these. There's also like a cleaning cloth, like a screen cleaning cloth that's always in here. They stuck a sticker in the bag as well, Rag Company sticker. And I ordered one other thing for Jessica, which is a hair turban, microfiber hair turban. Which I've ordered Rag Company towels for her before to dry her hair, because apparently microfiber towels make your hair more curly. I don't know. I just work here. So anyway, I ordered that for her because she wanted to try it out when I told her that they had them. So we'll let her try them out. So lots of fun stuff today. We're going to get those minis filled up with water so we can make some ice cubes. We'll get this Dream Maker tested out the next time we wash a car. And we'll run through the steering wheel cleaning kit as well as the sneaker cleaning kit and show how those work and whether I like them or don't like them. We'll touch up some of the paint work on the Mini and try to get that fixed up. Just kind of trying to improve it, accepting that it's a used car, but that it can always be better than it currently is. So that's kind of the idea here. And I really like the Mini, honestly. It brings a smile to my face every time I drive it. And I don't know why that is. Like on paper, the Mercedes is better in every way. You know, that car is 200 horsepower and this car is over 400, and that car does 0 to 60 in 6 seconds and this does it in 4, and this can haul things, and people with legs can fit in the back seat. Like there's a lot of things about the Mercedes that make it a superior vehicle. You know, I guess besides fuel economy, the Mercedes is kind of better in every measurable way, but the Mini's just a lot of fun. And I don't know, like people smile at you when you drive it down the road. It's interesting. It's especially other Mini owners, when you see somebody else driving a Mini, it's like when you ride a motorcycle and everybody waves at you, kind of deal. So it's neat. Boy, this stuff smells good. Dream Maker. Let's get that tried out. Because obviously how good something smells determines how much gloss it applies to the car. So that's it for today. I've got more products on order, more things coming my way. More chrome removal on the Mini, some more audio equipment coming, etc., etc., etc. So I will talk to you guys next time, and thanks for watching.